Hello dear viewers, hope you are well. Welcome to my channel Health is Beauty. Today I will show winter and new year special spicy duck curry with new potatoes. This is not a quick and easy meal, but I will show you in a very simple way. Let's see my duck first, which is well cleaned and 4.5 kg weight. Let's see the ingredients.
Duck meat 4.5 kg. You can cut your duck as per your taste.
Potato 20 pieces.
Chopped onion 4 cup. Mustard oil 1.5 cup.
Ginger paste 2 tablespoon. Garlic paste 2 tablespoon.
Kashmiri red chili powder 4 tablespoon. Turmeric powder 2 tablespoon. Coriander powder 2 tablespoon. Fennel seeds powder 2 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Cinnamon sticks 4 pieces. Bay leaves 4 pieces. Green cardamom 10 pieces. Black pepper 10 pieces. Green chili 20 pieces. Salt as per your taste.
Now let's start preparation.
Take a big pot, add 1.5 cup mustard oil. Bay leaves 4 pieces. Green cardamom 10 pieces. Black pepper 10 pieces. Cinnamon sticks 4 pieces. Fry for 2 minutes. Add 4 cup chopped onions. Fry it until it becomes lightly golden brown. Add 2 tablespoon ginger paste. 2 tablespoon garlic paste. Stir it for 2 minutes. Add 4 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Now mix it. Add 2 tablespoon turmeric powder. 2 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon cumin powder. Now mix it. Now add 2 cups hot water. Mix well. Add salt as per your taste. Now stir it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add fennel seeds powder. Stir it. Now add duck meat. Mix duck meat with spices. Now cover it and cook it for 20 minutes over medium flame. After 20 minutes, open the cover. Now add 8 cup hot water. Mix well and occasionally stir it. Now cover it and cook it until meat becomes tender. When meat becomes tender, add potatoes. Now mix well. Again cover it and cook for 10 minutes. Now add 20 pieces green chili and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the cover. My duck meat is perfectly done. Now I will serve in a dish.
My winter and New Year special duck curry is ready. Now it's time to taste.
See how much tender it is.
Infused with aromatic spices, this duck curry smells of New Year special and such moist, tasty and tender meat. Then why wouldn't you opt for this duck curry? Duck curry with new potatoes you can eat not only in winter but also throughout the whole year. Hope you enjoy my recipe. If you have any question regarding this recipe, you can ask me. I will reply. Thank you for being with me and watching my YouTube channel Health is Beauty.